How to change the email address on your Microsoft account. So I'm going to show you how to do it on PC, but it will work on pretty much any device. First, you will need to open up your browser and then type Microsoft.com to go to the Microsoft website. And then you will need to click on the sign in button on the top right. And then you will need to sign in with your existing Microsoft account. And once you're signed in, it should take you back to the Microsoft page again. Now you will need to click on your profile logo. And then you want to click on My Microsoft Account. And then you will need to click on Your Info on the left side. And then scroll down to the Account Info section. And in here you should see your email address for your Microsoft account. Click on Edit Account Info. And then you will need to confirm your identity by basically entering the code you received on your phone or your authenticator code. And after confirmation, you should be able to add and remove emails. So for example, if you click on Add Email, you should be able to add an existing email or create a new one. So you can just specify a username and then click on Add Username to create a new address and add it as username. Or if you have an existing account that you want to use, you can basically type your email address here and then click on Add Username to add it to your account. And once it's added, it should bring you back to this page. Then you can basically set the other one as primary email and remove this one. And if you remove this one, the other one will be used as primary. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.